Really? Are you kidding me? Come on. Can't be that hard. Well, truth is, it is that hard. Welcome back to the channel, folks. I could do a little bit something different today. Hopefully this might help some of you out there. It's going to be a game changer for me as far as my channel goes. I've been struggling with making videos and sound quality, or lack of sound. How about that? Um, as some of you may know or may be wondering, if you're thinking of starting a channel like I have, and let me just tell you right now, I've been doing this for about 2.5, 3 weeks, and I've got maybe, I don't know, 70 subscribers or so. But here's the advice I can. Well, one thing, you gotta learn how to talk, right? Like me. Um, here's the best advice I can give you. Stop trying to make it perfect. Just do your best. Start making videos, even crappy videos. That's what I did. I started off with crappy videos, and I'm still making crappy videos. But every time you do a video, you're going to make it a little bit better, in my opinion. So um, don't worry about making it perfect. Just go for it. You're going to, in the process of going for it, you're going to learn all kinds of stuff. And that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just going for it. And you can look up, if you look at well, don't look at my videos, they're terrible. But if you do, you're going to see, oh man, hey, old man, what are you doing? I can't even hear what you're saying. And so that's kind of what my topic is today, is sound quality. And I've got a bunch of videos that I still got to download to YouTube, but the sound is really bad. And so I realized that when I was kind of looking at them going, oh, I don't know if I should even put them on, but so I might have to do like a voiceover or something because I'm just mumbling most of the time. Anyway, so what I did was did a lot of research on YouTube, trying, because I heard about these wireless microphones and stuff, and I'm thinking, okay, that's right up my alley. I think that's exactly what I need. And so I'm looking at all these reviews and stuff like that, and it's getting very confusing, I'll tell you, because there's all kinds of them out there, all kinds of brands, and it depends on your smartphone like I am, which there's nothing wrong with that, man. That's all you need to start. Don't worry about buying cameras or nothing like that. That's down the road, if at all. You don't need that. It's great down the road, sure, go ahead, do it, but uh, I'm not planning on that anytime soon. The sound. Let's get back to the sound quality problem. Yeah, if you're too far away from your camera, they're not going to hear you. So you always struggle with having to be close enough to the camera to have decent sound. And even my decent sound from my phone is not that great. Right now I am talking to you using a wireless mic, and you can probably see it. I got it pinned to my shirt here, and this is going to make a difference. I haven't made it. This is my first video with this here. Let me just show you what it is. Yeah, yeah. Okay, let me just tell you one thing. No, I'm not sponsored. This I got 70 subscribers. Nobody's gonna say, "Hey, old man in Festerton, how about doing a review on our microphone?" No. So, anyways, I'm just doing this to, if anybody's struggling with this, this could help. There's all kinds of these different brands out there. Just pick one that you think is going to be good. Don't waste too much time like doing, looking at 100 reviews, because take the plunge like I did. I just took a stab in the dark. I bought these, I don't know, Hohem, I don't know. I can't even pronounce it. That's how good I am at this stuff. Anyways, this is the case. It comes with actually, I will show you a picture of this with everything in it, because I can't now. It's on my camera and it's doing a great job, I think. But it comes with two transmitters and the receiver. And the receiver plugs right into your smartphone. It's perfect. You don't have to do anything. It's a plug and play. And the only difficult part is figuring out the settings and stuff. But once you've got that set, man, it's a dream. And um, really, wireless microphone is going to be a game changer for you. That's that's for sure. So, anyways, let me just get. I'm going to go back to my regular cell phone speaker and show you this whole kit and see, so you can see what's actually in there when you buy it. And I think I paid about 100, I don't know, 160 bucks maybe for this kit off of Amazon. Now, you can buy a smaller kit that only has one transmitter and one receiver, and that's probably all I really needed. But I'm thinking I'm going Hollywood, right? Someday, and I'm going to need two of these. Somebody's going to want to interview me. No, it's not going to happen. Just kidding. But anyways, that's what I don't know. I just bought the kit because I saw it. Oh, two, that's great. If I run over one with my truck, I'll still have one left. That's my theory. So let me just switch this around, and you can have a look at this kit as you buy it. All right. Okay, so here's how you get this kit. It's with the two transmitters and one receiver. These are the transmitters, I'm assuming, how much I know. And this is the transmitter. And of course it comes with a little charging cord that goes into the back of this. These are the charging lights, and the cord plugs into it. Standard USB on one end, and your charging cord plugs into the back of that. Simple as pie, and has all your charging lights. The indicators tell you when it's charged, and you just plug that in and it charges everything up. The two transmitters get charged, and this, I believe the case actually has a battery in it to boot. So yeah, pretty cool. And as far as specifications go, I mean, like I said, I did all kinds of research on the internet trying to figure out which brand to buy. Honestly, I picked it for the color because it matched the inside of my shop. Is that crazy or what? Anyways, it's working out great. I'm right now I'm not using it because it's in my hand, so I can't show it to you on my phone because I only have one iPhone. Now, I'm not sure how many different phones it works on. Double check that before you buy. But this definitely works on an iPhone, and yeah, like I say, I'm very relieved that I got this and figured out how to work it, and it's going to be great because I can make a lot better videos, and at least people can, or not, wonder if the old man has just lost his mind, just underneath his truck mumbling away. So yeah, this might not make me look as crazy as people think. So that's a good thing. So yeah, do you want to check these out or not check these out? There's all kinds of them out there. No, it's not. I'm not sponsored. Nobody's gonna sponsor this guy, believe me. So anyways, yeah, I hope it works out for you, or you find one that does work for you. And I'm gonna give you some more feedback once I get this video done and a few more, and we'll see how things go. All right, catch you later.